Hello guys, this is Captain Reza speaking. Please fasten your seatbelts and prepare for takeoff. Thank you. Today I want to talk about a simple problem which is caused by upgrading your router OS. I was using the version 6.18 of MikroTik, and I've just updated my router OS to 7.17.2, the stable version, and I've just faced with a problem. And what's the problem? The problem is that I don't have WLAN interface. This is a radio. This is S60 Lite 5, which I use it on roof to getting service from ISP, a wireless service, and I've just updated it, and I don't have WLAN interface. So I should solve this problem. How can I solve? I've searched in everywhere, and I've found nothing. Really, I've found nothing. So I try to solve it by my own method, and I've tested many ways. So at the end, I found a solution, which I want to share with you. The reason that I don't have a WLAN interface is that in this version 7.17, we don't have wireless package on my router. How can I find it? I can find it through system, package, and I just can see router OS, which contains many things, but unfortunately, it doesn't contain wireless. So what should I do? I must go to MikroTik website here. Then I go to software part and downloads. I can find my router OS version here. As you can see here, this is MIP SBE, and here I have that. So what should I do? I should download extra package. Okay, we download extra package, then we unzip it. Let me find it. Download. Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Compressed. I think it's here. Here. I should extract wireless. I can use it separately. Okay, I extract wireless, and then that's simple, very simple. It's only enough to drag and drop it. Okay, after we drag and drop our wireless package, as you can see, I've extracted it here, and I've just drag and drop it here. So we should reboot our router. We reboot our router, and we should wait. I haven't seen MikroTik in version 7 and even Winbox. The graphic design is user-friendly, but I think it's hard to configure. Yeah, it got complicated. I think I was more comfortable with Winbox version 6. Yeah. Okay, let's find out what do we have here. As you can see, here is my WLAN interface. So it get connected automatically based on the configuration which I have on version 6. Okay, now I must have internet. As you can see, yes, I have internet here. It's the time that I haven't installed wireless, and now I have internet. That was the solution to solve the problem, which was having no WLAN. Okay, so I am Reza Safari, and I hope you to subscribe my channel, and thank you for viewing.